Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this little beauty. It's a BMW S1000RR and this one's a 2012 on a 12 plate. So as you can see, the bike is absolutely stunning. It's got some fantastic extras as well, which we'll come to in a second. But this is a Gen 2 model. So BMW obviously brought these out to compete in the British Superbikes, the World Superbikes, and they absolutely dominated. They really did kick butt with this bike. They're a fantastic piece of kit. I've owned one myself. Once you've had one of these, you become a bit of a BMW snob. I've had the RR, the R, and now I've got the XR just because of how good they are. So as you can see, this one is a 2012, 15,873 miles. It's got some fantastic extras as well, which we'll come to in a second. So it has got the full Motografix kit. You can see the tank protection there, obviously the surround on the fuel cap and the protection on the back end. It's got the carbon Akrapovic exhaust, which will give us a fire up in a bit. And that's it. If you come round to this side, Mr. Cameraman, we'll show the rest of the bike. So this model does come with a quickshifter. You can see that right there. It's super smooth. Like I said, I have had one of these. I know how good they are. Literally, knock it into first gear, boom, up box, all the way up to 6th. And really nice and smooth. You get a fly-by-wire throttle as well. Also, you get different power modes. So if you just come and have a look in here, you've got rain, sport, race and slick. The traction control is built into the power modes as well, so if you put it in rain mode, the traction control is fantastic. It will not lift that front wheel. You've also got traction, ABS as well. You can actually turn the traction control off. So this one is super clean. Let's give it a fire up and hear that titanium Akrapovic. And there you go. These are getting really hard to find these days in this lovely condition. So if you are wanting this one, do be quick. The last one's sold immediately. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes, or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.